Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 1326 Cumberland Avenue in Syracuse.
This is an amazing property on over an acre with a private nature setting. So let's take a tour.
This home is abundant in character and charm, featuring a spacious white and bright kitchen with a pass-through window to the dining room with a bay window, open to a living room with built-ins, a gas fireplace, and porch access. The first floor also features a den or office with laundry, a powder room, and an expansive family room with deck access. The upstairs includes 5 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a relaxing master suite with a walk-in closet and ensuite bath.
Be at one with nature in this beautiful scenic setting, just over 1 acre, with an expansive deck, an open front porch, This property is conveniently located near everything Syracuse has to offer. Here we are at SU, one of the best universities in the country. What a great place to be!
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1326 Cumberland Avenue in Syracuse.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!